It's so amazing. Oh my God. Otis. Old Otis. Wow. Oh, it got replaced with Flushline. That's all right. Still really cool. We're going somewhere, shit. Wow. This is insane.
Yeah.
Going down?
Yeah.
I'm staying in.
Okay.
I was just getting a video of the old elevator. No, you're fine. Don't apologize. You're the one who actually needs to use it.
Where are you going? Oh, you're taking a video.
I'm just getting my video.
So it doesn't matter. Okay.
Doesn't matter. It is a pretty good elevator.
Oh yeah, it's
Cool.
it's beautiful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was visiting a buddy and I was like, oh, I
nice.
gotta get a video on the
Yeah.
house.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's I was told it is one of the oldest working residential elevators in the city.
Oh yeah.
I can believe it. That's it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The basement is spooky as fuck.
Creepy down here.
Yeah.
Well, take care, guys.
Yeah. Cheers.
Yeah, this is definitely one of the older ones. Why? Wonder why the panel's all the way back there. Looks like the door equipment's GAL. But honestly, I'm not. It's not too bad of a mod, or really not. Got a slate, but not really even a mod, just a panel replacement. But yeah, here's the 6th floor. We'll head back down to the lobby. Oh, you gotta hold it. It's one of those. Definitely the original controller. So cool. Oh, it's going back down to B. Or L.